In this video, you will learn about the use of EndNote with Microsoft PowerPoint. It is necessary for the preparation of the different lectures for the different purposes or presentations for the different purposes, and sometimes for the background of the literature we have to mm, search. We have to search the references within PowerPoint. And in this video, for example, if I want to prepare a lecture on the oxidative stress in poultry, and then I am more importantly interested about the role of the viral infections and what happens in the viral infections. For that, for example, I have published a review article on this topic. I am opening it, and here you will see a video that is proof of that is open and PDF file of that review article. And here, uh, I want to I want to create the PowerPoint presentation of this literature. For example, I have created all these headings in the PowerPoint. For that, I have to open the Microsoft PowerPoint. I am opening it, and here you can see PowerPoint is open, and the title of this PowerPoint will be mm, like that. And here I want to add a new slide. And in this new slide, for example, if I'm interested to write the consequences of the oxidative stress, I have created this. Then I am using some of the text here, and I am copying here. Then I will uh, at the end I will divide it into. I will create a point from this text, but this text is not of mine. For that, I have to cite the reference here. For that, I have to use the EndNote option that is present in the PowerPoint, and then I have to go to the insert. First option is insert citation. So in this case, citation is not selected, but in my case here, in the EndNote, I have selected this specific reference that is highlighted, and if I want to insert the citation, I just have to click here, and here the citation is inserted. But just like the word, Microsoft PowerPoint don't create the links between the citations and the references or the bibliography. And don't create the bibliography. You have to do this. You have to do this manually. One way is that in the in the slide at the end, in the notes option of the slide, I can insert the selected citation, selected reference, and here you can see the selected reference is cited. And another option is that I usually in scientific presentations we insert the references slide at the end, and then here I during the presentation I know that I have used the data from this specific article, so I will insert selected reference here. And here you can see that the selected reference is referred here at the end in the references. So in this way, you can use the EndNote in PowerPoint, and for that you can also go to EndNote directly from the options in in Microsoft PowerPoint. And another way is that sometimes we have to use the figures of the previously published articles. For example, here is a figure that is previously published, and I'm taking the snapshot of this figure here. Now it is copied to the clipboard, and then I'm pasting here, and then I'm adjusting the size of my figure. Then after that, even I can insert the citation of that specific reference here, that this is not, I can tell to my audience that it is not of mine, it is copied from the Rahman et al. And for that, I can also insert the selected reference in the note option, or and also at the end in the reference list. So in this way, you can use the EndNote in the Microsoft PowerPoint. But there are some limitations in the Microsoft PowerPoint, and for example, you can see when I cite a single reference many times in the Word, then it will appear only once at the end in the reference. But here, whenever you will click on the third selected reference, it will appear again and again. In this case, you can see the same reference is cited two times in the same slide. And another drawback or another limitation is that it don't create a link between the incorrect citation and at the end in the references. We expect that in the coming versions or in the updated versions of the EndNote, this issue will be solved. And if you have any other question about the use of EndNote with the Microsoft PowerPoint, please let me know. I will try to answer it in the chat or in the comment section. Thank you.